Meaning of dialing tone.
Dialing tone.
Dialing tone.
Dialing tone.
Dialing tone. A dial tone is a recurring audible signal that indicates that a telephone line is operational and ready to receive digits for dialing. It is a steady tone consisting of two frequencies that are mixed together. When a user lifts the phone's handset, the dial tone indicates that the phone is connected to the exchange and is ready for a call. The dial tone is reassuring to users because it provides feedback that the line is ready for use and can help prevent misdialing or accidental calls.